In this video, I will show you 2 ways to open Excel for the web. The first way is by using Outlook. When you search for Microsoft Office Login on Google, you'll see several link options. You can select any of them, but in this example, I'll click on the Outlook link first. Then, it will take you to this page. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on Sign In. If you don't have one, you can create a free Microsoft account right here. Now, click Sign In to continue. If you already have an existing Microsoft account, you'll see it listed here. Alternatively, you can click Use another account and sign in with a new username and password. Then, you'll be taken to the Outlook page. To open Excel, click the App Launcher icon in the top left corner. From there, select Excel to open it. Now, to open a new blank workbook, click Create. If you'd like to work with a pre-built template, scroll down to find the available options and select the template you want. Now, I'm going to click Create. As you can see, it opens a new blank workbook. You can make your modifications here, and Excel for the web will automatically save all your work to OneDrive. Now, let's take a look at the options available under the File tab. Under the File tab, you'll find several important options. You can create a new workbook, open existing files, or save and download your workbook in different formats such as Excel or PDF. The Info section shows details about your file, and the Share option lets you collaborate with others online. If you'd like to rename your workbook in Excel for the web, click on the current file name at the top of the page, type your new name, and press Enter to save it. Now, let's see how you can open Excel from Microsoft Office 365. Go to the Office 365 homepage and sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, you'll be taken to this page. From here, click on Apps. You'll see Excel listed among the available applications. Click on Excel to open it. The remaining steps are the same as when you open Excel from Outlook.